So, welcome to Techpledge Consulting Services and welcome to the Cloud Master Bootcamp 2021. So, first we have seen Linux Basic Administration, then we went into Linux Advanced Administration, and now in this session we are going to go with Linux System Administration. So, let's begin the page for the day. Here am I. I am Shweta Chavan. I am a grade A trainer. I am Azure AWS Solution Architect and an SRE certified professional. I deliver high engagement and outcome-centric training for Techpledge. So a little bit about Techpledge. Techpledge is an edtech company that provides different services like training, placement, certification, and bootcamp. So this is about me and a little bit about Techpledge. So we'll begin with our day with the following index, that is Linux init process. The next comes Linux system management. Then we are going to go further with Linux file configuration, and the next is Linux web server management. So these are the points that we are going to cover in this session. And I hope you are clear with the basic and advanced understanding of Linux administration. So here we are going to go further with system administration. So let's stop over here and we'll continue with the first module later on.